Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade coleslaw. Super simple recipe, not many ingredients. I think there's like maybe 6 ingredients and that's it. You could cut your own cabbage if you want. I really didn't want to do that. So I bought the already cut up coleslaw, but the sauce is homemade and that's what I'm going to show you how to make today. It's creamy coleslaw. So this recipe calls for 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you want. I use Hellmann. That's what I like. I don't like Miracle Whip. The funny story about that is that when I was a kid, I thought I always hated mayonnaise because my mother used Miracle Whip. I was like, oh, I don't like mayonnaise. And then as I got older and we moved to Toronto, because I moved there when I was very young, I tried mayonnaise and I was like, oh, what's this? And they said it's mayonnaise. And I realized it was just Miracle Whip that I hated. So I use mayonnaise, you use whatever you want. It's not going to taste the same if you use Miracle Whip. Just an FYI. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then just salt and pepper to taste. So I always end up opening it up like this because it just takes too long. So I'm going to add, like I said, it's to taste. So just add a little bit at a time so that you don't put too much and then you don't like the taste. You can't really take salt away. So just gradually add it. Then I'm going to just mix it up. And then we taste it. And if it's okay, we pour it over the... Sorry for the audio. I had forgotten to put my mic on. Then we're going to do a little taste to see if it's how we like it. Should be a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy, a lot creamy. And we're going to taste that now. So just take that. It's perfect, actually. I'm just going to add that. Like that. Super simple, super delicious. So my best friend came to visit me and we were making coleslaw. She said that she has used to make it just for convenience. She would buy the coleslaw dressing in like the stores. And I was like, no, ma'am. We are not doing that here. So she was like, okay, so you're fancy and you make your own. I'm like, yes, trust me. It makes the difference. So anyways, she grabbed my recipe. She made it for me because we were preparing some stuff, and so she made it for me. And then when she tasted it, she was like, okay, I see what you mean. And she now makes it like that at her house. So this is definitely a recipe if you do like creamy coleslaw to try. And let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so let's try this out. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a container now with a cover and put it in the fridge. All of the flavors will marinate together nicely. And we'll be able to enjoy this later on today and tomorrow. There. It's going to be so good. Thanks for watching.